In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Visual Studio Code from Windows 11. By the end, you'll remove the app cleanly using the built-in Windows settings. This process won't touch your personal code projects stored in your documents or other folders, but it will remove the Visual Studio Code application itself and its extensions from this PC. Start on your Windows desktop and open the Start experience. The quickest way is to use the search function. Click the search icon on your taskbar or tap the Windows key and begin typing. In the search field, type Settings. When you see the Settings app appear, look for the gear icon, click it to open. Inside Settings, find the Apps section. It's listed in the left-hand sidebar in Windows 11. Click Apps to open your application management options. You'll land on Apps and Features, which shows an app list of everything installed on your computer. Use the search box within Apps and Features to find what you need. Click into the App List search field and type Visual Studio. On most systems, it will show up as Visual Studio Code or Microsoft Visual Studio Code. If you don't immediately see it, double-check your spelling or scroll a bit. The list updates as you type. When Visual Studio Code appears, click on it to expand the options. You should see an Uninstall button. Before you continue, make sure Visual Studio Code isn't currently running. If the editor is open, save any work and close the program so the uninstaller can proceed without interruptions. Now, click Uninstall. Windows may ask you to confirm that you want to remove this app. Approve the prompt. In some cases, you'll see a second confirmation or the Visual Studio Code uninstaller window. Follow the on-screen instructions there, which typically means confirming again to begin removal. Give it a moment while Windows completes the process. Progress is usually quick, but it can take a little longer if you have many extensions installed. When it's finished, the Visual Studio Code entry should disappear from the apps list. If you had a taskbar pin or start shortcut, it may vanish automatically. If not, a quick refresh or restart will clear any leftover shortcuts that no longer point to an installed app. That's it. You open Search, launch Settings, went to Apps, searched for Visual Studio Code, and uninstalled it with a couple of confirmations. If you ever need it again, you can download the latest version from the official website and reinstall. Thanks for watching, and great job keeping your Windows setup tidy.